And today we're playing Animal Hospital.
Okay, let's start. Come on. We're just gonna start.
Let's wait for one more person.
Okay. But let's wait for.
Who started it?
Let's wait.
No, I don't want to wait.
Come on, come in.
No.
Okay, so we're starting. Okay.
Okay, sorry about that, guys. That was my breath. Okay, how much sanity do you have? Stop. How much sanity?
70?
Yeah.
No, it's 70. 70.
Oh, okay, then I'm getting it. Okay. I'm gonna be the front desk.
Okay, but you still have to do that too.
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay. I know that one needs herbs and one needs eye drops.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. So this. Okay, you need herbs or whatever it's called.
Okay. By the way, guys, this might be a short video because my family are having some kind of event or something. I don't know, so it might be a short video.
Yeah, might be.
Okay, I'm gonna go. What room? Oh, room 2.
Can I give eye drops?
Oh yeah, okay.
So because I have eye drops and I don't want to throw it away. I'm gonna just wait. Okay. Oh, his name is Buddy Brown. His or her name is Buddy Brown.
Uh-huh. Doctor. What? Already.
Doctor. Okay. Sorry. Okay, hi, doctor. Okay. I will fix the shutters and security cameras for you. Okay. Out of.
I think I was the best.
No, I'm the best.
Oh, it's you.
Yeah.
But I was most. Oh my god. Oh wait, no, he's fine. He's good.
Yeah. No, look at cameras. Go look at cameras.
No. Oh wait. Oh my god. Yeah.
His bad. First anomaly.
I forgot we have the cameras.
Yeah, cameras are really good. What is?
I haven't played this game in a long time, so.
Okay, open this. Hello.
Okay.
Is the cameras good? Oh no! The cameras are not actually good.
I know.
What is happening?
It's already 2 people.
Yeah, 2 anomalies, not people.
Oh yeah.
Is this good or not?
I think it's good.
Yeah, me too. How much sanity do you have?
I'm gonna check the cameras.
How many sanity do you have?
I have 69.
Okay, so I'm
Because I
getting
still
the
have the coffee. Okay, I drink my coffee. Okay, he is good. Or she.
Yeah, I did
Move!
hay.
This is my job. Your big hair is closing everything up.
I got a room too. Okay, then.
And by the way, there's like 3 or 2 updates.
Yes. Probably it will
So
be in shift 4. Probably in shift 4.
Oh, go wet.
Oh, I have eyes. This is my favorite. I can do
Why is that your favorite?
because I can fix them.
No, don't fix them. You could lose sanity.
I did not lose my sanity. I fixed them.
Okay.
Did you look on cameras?
What? Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna be in room 1. The monster under the
The
bed.
little Raffy came.
Rocket. Okay, you go fix one. Being small is yeah, it is.
Okay.
I hear things. I see things. Me too.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
It's not really, but it's okay. I'm gonna do my rat too. Yeah, I already know he's
What do you need? Oh, nothing. I forgot.
Matthew, I'm gonna come with you, okay? Hold on. You got room 4, okay? I'm gonna be waiting you in room 4.
Herbs.
Oh my god, I see the eyes.
You can look at them.
I can't. No, I can't.
Why?
Because I'll lose sanity.
No, I fixed them. You will not.
How did you do that?
I just fixed them.
Wait, I need to go to my Matthew. Thank you for opening the door for me.
Okay. I think Raffy is the last.
Okay.
Do the Raffy?
You have. Oh. Fever and headache. Okay, what do you need?
I will get medicine.
I'll get thermal.
I will get medicine.
Here you go. Okay.
Doctor is coming.
Yeah, the doctor came.
I have to close the door, so yeah. Hello, doctor. How are you doing? I'm opening a new phase for you. Oh, I think the shop is opening.
Oh. Yeah, it is the shop.
I will look what is here. There's chocolate!
Yeah, I want it.
I really want the chocolate.
Oh my god.
Okay, you got the chocolate.
How was it you all the time?
What?
Yay, I'm 100.
Ooh, what is?
Wait, what happened? What happened? Oh, no.
It's anomaly. Look at cameras. Look at cameras.
Oh, yeah, because why is there water?
I don't know. It's not update. Yes. What?
I do not know this. Check the cameras.
Is it what language she's speaking?
I don't know.
On cameras look good. She actually looks like a fish.
Okay, I think here you should be good. Let me check.
Okay. Is it
Yeah,
good?
you're good.
Good.
Yeah.
But check on the cameras.
Yeah, I already did.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna
I
do
don't know what
this.
you're saying. Room 1.
Okay, I'm gonna just do this.
Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna look on cameras.
I'm gonna just.
I do not understand what you're saying, but yeah, you're good. Let's check. Yeah, you're the same.
Okay. So I think everything's good.
Room number 2, I'm gonna go there. Oh wait. I don't know if this is anomaly or is this anomaly? I mean it is, but should we let it in?
No.
Oh no. Why were you doing it?
I was just looking at a photo.
Okay, let's check the camera.
What?
Green. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, I think good, but still check on the photo.
I know, I always check on the phone.
Wait, how many sanity do you have?
I have 89.
So I'm getting the coffee.
Yeah, because I have the chocolate bar.
Yep.
Room 4.
Room 4. So I need to
Why
do.
you didn't do room 2?
I'm doing room 7 right now.
And room 1.
But I still have to do the other room. Herbs.
You will never be
This.
you.
Herbs. Herbs. And I forgot what's next. I think medicine. Was I right? Yes, I was. Ooh.
Construct.
Okay. Ooh. Wait, what? It's... Okay, I'm going to room 1 now.
No, I already did room 1.
Oh, you did it?
Mm-hmm.
There's eyes. So I will fix the eyes. Okay, I fixed the eyes in room 1. Ow, boo.
Okay.
There's eyes, but eyes are not that bad. Yeah, eyes.
Can I see? Can I look at them now?
Yes.
How did you fix it?
I just gave them eye drops.
But you have to look at them and then you'll lose sanity.
But I went down over here and give.
Oh. Oh my God, you're so impatient, bro.
Is it good?
Yeah. Let's check the cameras. He's good. Oh.
And his photo is also good. And everything's good. Okay, I think I'm doing the room 6 and...
No, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Because I'm better at it. Because you always say that you can't do it.
But I do. I can do it, but I have to do it a million times. Oh, there's rain.
Hello, mister. You can't get in. Okay. Let's sorry,
What's
buddy.
happening?
Okay.
Wait, I think somebody came. Actually, nobody did. Wait, which room are you? Oh, 6. Room 6.
Bandages, thermal. I'm getting everything.
I'm getting eye drops.
No, I'm getting everything.
Okay.
Drop bandages. What?
Okay. How many sanity do you have?
I have 87.
Okay, so I'm getting the coffee. Wait, what is the coffee not getting? Ooh. Okay, I have 2 coffees. Come on, doctor. Hello, doctor. How are you doing? How are you doing? Somebody. And stay. Okay. Hi, doctor. Doctor. Yeah, we're using photos and cameras.
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch what I can do. I'm gonna taser him.
No. Okay.
Yes. Oh, give us more patience. Look. Watch.
Ooh.
3, 2, 1. Oh no.
Come on.
Oh, I feel like yeah, no, I'm throwing you in the trash.
Why?
Because there's not enough time.
Yeah. Check on the cameras.
There's like
then. Check on the cameras.
what do you?
Check on the cameras.
Oh no.
You're just a bad anomaly, you know?
That's also anomaly.
Oh no, I see the stalker. Stalker!
I don't.
Okay. Okay, I don't think this is an anomaly. Hello? What? That's a... Okay. Hello, my name is Pumpkin. I think your appointment is ready. Okay, never mind. It's not. Who's coming? Nobody. What? So bye everybody, because that was all for all. If you want, yeah, if you want another part, then 50 likes, and that's all. Another part is ready. If 50 likes. So bye bye. See you.